What's going on, guys? This is the very first episode. Number one. Uno. That's as far as I go with foreign languages. Very first episode of Patterns of Unpredictability. On this episode, I'm going to try to make myself sneeze and keep my eyes open. Not forced open because my eyeballs can pop out, but they say it's impossible for your eyes to stay open. I got this camera set at 120 frames per second, and we're going to slow it down if I do sneeze. And I got methods to make myself sneeze right here. Let's do this. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's been kind of a crazy day trying to set all this up. I got light, camera. It's all good. It's set up finally. I still need to get some backdrops or something because these freaking pictures decided to, shine. It wasn't supposed to be all shiny until these bright lights bounce off. It's all good. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about sneezing up here. Sneeze. Maybe some little snot action. But we're going to just try this. I'm going to try to make myself sneeze. I got this camera right here. We're going to bring it down to get the full nostril effect here, buddy. You want to cooperate with me here? Gonna cooperate. There we go. Hopefully it looks good. I guess we'll find out. Maybe it's too close. I don't know. I can't. There's no screen. I don't know. But let's do this. The first method is to poke your nose with something. So I got this Kleenex here. Bam. Guess I should have done that first, but it's all good. We're gonna spin it up and we're gonna try to make myself sneeze. Are y'all ready in there? Are y'all ready? Sneeze cam. Okay. Should I get like the full front shot? Is that gonna be in the way? No, it's good. We're good. Alright. Poke your nose. So we're gonna do that. You just get an object, roll it up, and poke inside your nose. Apparently, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's try it. There's something going on. There is something going on. It does not feel good. And it says to hum, so it ain't working. Let's try the other side. Maybe I got the wrong nostril here. We gotta get this to work though. Come on, buddy. Come on, we got to get this to work. I got some methods I know is gonna work if this don't. Oh gosh. Okay. Wait. No, that ain't working. Maybe the dust. No, that ain't gonna work either. Okay. That didn't work. Next is to pluck eyebrows. So hold on just a second. Let me get back to this. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I didn't think to get freaking tweezers out of everything I guess I got. Didn't get tweezers. Move this out of the way. Out of frame. Okay. Pluck eyebrows. I kind of need to get some kind of light or something. Or I guess I can just grab an eyebrow. Hopefully it don't screw everything up. Alright, ready? Oh. Look at that nice eyebrow right there. Now let's try this again. It ain't working. Oh, man. That does not feel good. I tell you. Come on, buddy. Alright. Oh. I think I feel something going on in there. Hold on. Okay. Maybe this one. Oh, that really just not. Oh. Oh, no, it's kind of painful is all I'm getting. Maybe from the corner right here. Maybe, no, that ain't working. This ain't working. I don't know. Maybe I'm just immune to making myself sneeze. Alright, next is to pull nose hairs. So, we're ready for this. This might actually work. If I can grab one with this thing, it ain't gonna work with this. Oh, it hurts so bad. Okay. Okay, no, nothing. I gotta find a real sensitive one. The one that's really far in there. But oh, goodness. Okay. We ain't working. We ain't working today. I know I'm pretty immune to a lot of stuff here. It ain't working. Okay. Apparently that's not gonna work. Now I need to tickle the roof of my mouth. I really don't know how to do this. So maybe if I get the Kleenex, a new one, not the one I just used, a new one, try to tickle the roof of my mouth with it. I don't think it's gonna work. Kind of just tastes bad. It ain't, yeah, just tastes like paper after the fact. Maybe if I look at the light too. No, that ain't gonna work. It's great. I can't see now. Okay. Smell a fizzy drink. I just happen to have a drink here, so we're just gonna smell it. Maybe all the fizz. Maybe I gotta stir it a bit. Maybe if I just get like a little bit of it, maybe just a little bit, stick it on my nose, and do it. No, that ain't gonna work. Well, that sucks. Tastes good though. Okay. Next, this is just not working at all. I was trying to find my phone. It was in my freaking pocket. Next is to massage the end of your nose. The only way I can do this is to call myself. So we're gonna do that. If I don't drop this phone again, we're gonna call myself here. If I knew how to work my wife's phone. That ain't it, buddy. It's okay. We got this. Contacts. I want myself. Okay. Option. Wait. No. Yeah. Option. Or I just hit the call button. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Okay. Is it gonna work? It's gonna work this time. It just feels like there's not a lot going on. Hold on. Maybe if I open the phone. I just answered my own phone call. I feel like an idiot. I feel like an idiot. There's gotta be something to do here. I got the failsafe though. That's gonna have to work if this don't work. Let's try it now. I got the phone open. Maybe there's a little bit more. Come on. Okay. If I knew where the freaking... It ain't vibrating enough. I thought it would. That sucks. Okay. Well, fail safe. Right there. Pepper. It's not even, it's just ground up pepper. I'm gonna try to throw it up my nose. I've never done this, so I don't know if it's gonna hurt or whatnot. Maybe if I just throw it on this paper. Let me see this paper. We're gonna do it this way. Quick, easy, probably painful. Let's get some pepper here. It ain't really grounding up good. It's like, hold on. I don't got it set right for one thing. Come on, buddy. Don't fail me now, buddy. Come on. There we go. We don't need all this extra stuff there. Okay. Okay. Just got some leftovers, apparently. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't really know how to go about doing this, so... It's all my nose. It's hurts so bad. I hope something happens, because this sucks. Oh, wait. Come on, buddy. There's a lot of pain going on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I gotta blow my nose. Hold on. No, go fight through it. Fight through it now. Come on. Come on. We can do this. It's so close. It's like freaking right there. Come on. We're getting one sneeze. Oh gosh. There were. Come on. We got one sneeze. It burns so bad. I think one of my eyes was open. I'm not sure. It ain't gonna work anymore. Oh, it sucks so bad. Sorry, y'all witnessing me blowing my nose. Oh gosh, I don't recommend that. Hold on. No. Don't do that. That's not fun. I got one sneeze. I think I might have some snot action on the camera. We're gonna slow that down. See if my eyes were open. It hurts the back of it. Oh wait. No, I thought I was gonna go. That sucked. That sucks so bad. It still hurts. Alright, now that my hair's all great. That was nice. Don't do that. You do everything else but the last one. Don't do the last one. It sucks. I've never had pepper just thrown up my nose like that. And it was like a trampoline. They like bounced and all up my nose. Not recommended. It works, but I'm not going to do it again. Maybe next time I'm just going to wait till I'm sick and start sneezing and then try it. Hopefully. This thing can move now. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to do these every day. Hopefully after I get everything set up. It's going to take me a little bit to get everything set up. So I might have some days where I miss trying to get all this set up and getting the editing. How I want to edit it down and all that great stuff. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, hit that subscribe button to not miss a single episode. I might throw some more pepper up my nose if you want me to. I don't know why I'm pointing with this pencil, but that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to have a Twitter set up soon. I don't have one. But yeah, this has been, you know, Patterns of Unpredictability. I think I want the hashtag to be #PU. So if you want to talk about this, just #PU, whatever you want to. #PU. Patterns of Unpredictability. Right here. Bam. First episode gone. It's over. I sneezed once. I was supposed to sneeze like 500 times. But anyways, if y'all want me to do something, let me know. And all that good stuff. If you wait around for the next episode, I got these. I've never had one. And I'm going to talk about what just happened. And maybe some other ideas that I got. Maybe I'm going to try them on this next episode. It's like a continuation of this episode is what I'm going to do. Because I'm going to go about doing it. Too much knowledge. Anyways, just watch the next episode. I'm going to leave some of this. Have an awesome, unpredictable, maybe predictable day. Who knows?